Welcome to Nari Saki. Today let's make spicy cauliflower potato sabji. It's not regular, it's different of a kind with lot of different spices used in combination with potatoes and cauliflower. So here I have taken mustard oil. You cook this with mustard oil, but you can take oil of your choice. Cauliflower florets, cleaned, washed and cut into florets. Saute it for about 2 to 3 minutes, and once they're almost done, add some salt to this, because if you add salt before, it will leave the moisture, and we want it to be a little bit fried, roasted. So now I'm sauteing it for about 2 to 3 minutes. They are almost done. You can see the color is changed, and there's a little bit of moisture, but we don't want to cook it, we don't want to roast it very nicely. So take it out in a different bowl and keep it separately, because we are using the same pan again. There's already a little bit of oil to this pan. So the cauliflower I have taken out and we'll use it later. I'm going to make the masala, which is red chili powder as per your taste, turmeric powder, coriander powder and cumin powder, and you can add ginger paste, or if you don't have a ginger paste, just chopped ginger, chop it very finely. I like the chunks of ginger. Add some water and make this spice mix. We are going to keep this spice mix, we are going to use it later, and you can adjust the spiciness as per your taste. So here I am taking mustard oil again, and as I said, use oil of your choice. Bay leaf will give a nice flavor. Red chilies, depending on how spicy you want. Going to add cardamom and 2 cloves and some cinnamon. So the cinnamon, bay leaf, cloves will give a nice flavor to this sabji. And now we are going to add chopped potatoes. I have taken 1 medium-sized potato, chop it into big chunks and saute it for 2 minutes and cover and simmer for about 2 minutes. And check for the oil. If you want, you can add the oil, but now I'm going to add all this spice mix, so I don't need the oil. So add the spice mix which we have done. Beautiful color and the aroma too. Add a little bit of water if you want to, and some salt for the potatoes, and we are going to cover and simmer it until potatoes are almost done. We don't want to make it mushy. They should be firm, potatoes and cauliflower. So potatoes are almost done, half cooked, and then we are going to add all this. So green peas, tomatoes, and you can add a green chili, 1 green chili to add the flavor, but if you don't want it spicy, then you can skip green chili. Now cover and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes when potatoes are well done, but make sure we are not going to make it mushy. So now this is almost done. You can check in between. Add cauliflower which we had roasted in oil. Add some garam masala on top, and jaggery. You can also add sugar or jaggery a little bit. Mix it well, and now we are going to add some about 1 cup of hot water, not too much because we don't want this sabji to be watery. So just 1 cup of water, and we're not going to cover it, we're just going to allow it to boil and let all the spices absorb by potato and cauliflower. So all the spices are nicely mixing with potatoes and cauliflower. This is not too dry sabji. You can serve this with rice, roti. It's really different and the aroma is really good, awesome. Do try this. Let me know if you have any questions or comments, and please subscribe Nari Saki for more videos. Thank you.